Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, you can get more clients. So, let's start here with your website. I have it on the screen, and the first thing that I have to suggest is to add a little bit more of relevant content with the appropriate keywords. When I say that, I mean more about the text that your website has here. So, for example, you got plumbers, HVAC, Philadelphia, PA, right? This is considered a keyword. So that means that everything that surrounds that keyword should be relevant to that specific thing. And I'm seeing that even though you have a lot of things going on here, you're lacking of keywords and text content. It might actually will give you an improvement when it comes to all searches, and I'll show you why. Because I use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So we can see that you're being found for 340 keywords. You actually running Google Ads, and you have around 847 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that I mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens with backlinks, but the difference that not all the links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and hundreds of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that your text in your website should have, you're not going to see the result that you want. And this is why you're probably not having more traffic into your website because your links are not really good quality. And what we're trying to see, actually, what Google tries to see to be efficient is to be this number close to this number. So the ratio should be 1:1. In this case, we see that is not the case. In your case, this is not what's happening here. It's because your links are not really good quality. Now let's see what keywords are you being found for. And I was just checking that a few seconds ago, but you can see, for example, you're actually ranking for your branding name, which is 350 searches a month, and you're ranking number 3, getting 35 visits to your website. Is that bringing you clients? I'm not really sure. Then you have HVAC Philadelphia with 800 searches a month, and you're on the second page, but still you're hitting around 8 visits to your website. One of the ones that caught my attention, what's this one over here? HVAC Philadelphia, PA. Excuse me. And this is probably one of the closest things that you want to be found for. For example, there's 80 searches a month, and you're ranking number 9. So you're not getting anything here, like probably 2 visits, and that's why almost 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top 3 here and here in the map section. So that means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page, not even to see if you're there or not. So you're missing a lot of opportunities here. So let's take a look and see why these guys over here are ranking number 2, and what would you need to see to actually start competing with these guys. So if we open their website here, you can see these guys probably have better content than you. So my recommendation will be improve your content, improve those keywords where they're placing, and improve the backlinks. If we look on the, let's see the numbers of this guy and see if we can have it. So you can see they have even more backlinks in the ratings a little bit better than yours. Is probably why, and that's all comes to the quality of the links that you have against the ones that they have. So yeah, you can see even though uh, you're almost there, but you can see these guys are way better because they have more links, and probably those links are actually better quality. And let's see what number that they're getting. So HVAC Philadelphia, they're ranking number one. That's the same one that you were ranking, that we're trying to rank. And they're getting 250, I'm sorry, 240 visits a month to the website. If you ask me, those are 250 chances they get every month to get new clients. HVAC Philadelphia, another 800. They're ranking number three. They're getting 69. And the one that we were just looking at, HVAC Philadelphia, PA, 80 searches a month. And because they're ranking number actually two, this is not updated, they're getting 28 visits straight to their website. You can add up all these over here, and they're getting a lot of traffic, a lot of opportunities for them to have new clients every month. Um, I don't want to take too much of your time, so basically you need to improve your content. You need to improve how you're placing these keywords over here, and you need to improve. You need to get better quality links if you want to start seeing better results and actually compete with these guys. Um, Other than that, I really hope this information is useful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Once again, my name is Alex, and thank you for your time.